Good morning. Just here for a quick garden update. New fencing, see use of the vine maple leftovers here through the new gateway. Check out how nice it's really coming together. Look at this. Got the wall of tomatoes going in back there. All of the white and all of that other stuff there, that's the little fencing to keep the cats out. Strawberries, potato, pumpkin, garlic, squash, blueberries, tomatoes, corn, beans, broccoli, more beans, potatoes, squash, pumpkin, more tomatoes, there, chicory, broccoli, and it's underway. So reclaim the jungle. Yes. So looking quite nice. I do really like the fence.